Good evening to Professor David Zenlit and all field school students in Vancouver, Canada, and good morning to those who are in Manado, North Sulawesi, Indonesia. It's a great honor to me to welcome you to the virtual field school collaboration between Simon Fraser University and Samratulangi University. I hope all of you are well amidst this global pandemic situation. It has been quite a while since the last Simon Fraser University Field School in Manado back in 2018. I would like to thank Simon Fraser University, especially Professor David, for his passion and interest in tropical environment, especially in our unique biodiversity and culture, and his outstanding commitment and effort to work with Samratulangi University over years. I have learned that the Simon Fraser University and Samratulangi University Field School has been conducted for more than 10 years since 2008, and I really appreciate it and value our long-term collaboration. I realize that running and attending a virtual field school is not easy. It must be quite challenging, but I'm glad that we have some enthusiastic students from Canada willing to study and learn other environment and culture virtually. I hope a series of lectures from Samratulangi University on tropical wildlife and marine environment, the Wallacea region and its endemic species, islands' traditional wisdom in practicing agriculture, among others, will bring you here one day. As a rector, I'm inviting all of you to visit our university and the province when this pandemic is over. Allow me to give you a little bit information on Samratulangi University. Our university is one of the largest universities in the eastern part of Indonesia, located in Manado City, the capital of North Sulawesi province. We have around 26,500 coming from all parts of Indonesia and some from overseas, and 1,550 lectures. UNSRAT has 11 faculties: Faculty of Medicine, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Agriculture, Faculty of Animal Husbandry, Faculty of Fisheries and Marine Science, Faculty of Economic and Business, Faculty of Law, Faculty of Social and Political Sciences, Faculty of Culture and Languages, Faculty of Mathematics and Science, and Faculty of Public Health. UNSRAT also has a postgraduate program that offers master's and doctorate degrees. We have a language center offering Bahasa Indonesia course for foreigners. Indonesian government provides a scholarships called Dharma Siswa for overseas students to learn bahasa and culture for 1 to 2 semesters in Indonesia. If you are interested to apply, please feel free to let us know. Professor David, Field School students, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude my remarks, I wish you all an enjoyable virtual field school. Stay healthy and happy. Hope to see you either in Indonesia or in Canada. God bless you all. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.